So this is the part 2 of mineral nutrition in plants, important MCQs. Which is the first observable deficiency symptom in iron deficient plant? जिन plants में iron की कमी हो जाती है उनमें सबसे पहला जो symptom है वो क्या होता है? It is option number B, that is interveinal chlorosis in younger leaves. Option number B is the right answer. Iron, it is a immobile nutrient. Next, which nutrient element is absorbed by plants in the form of potassium? So it is easy, potassium. Next, which element activates catalase and is a part of chlorophyll biosynthesis? It is iron. Iron is essential for electron transport and activation of the catalase enzyme. Death of the shoot apex occurs due to, so shoot apex की death किस कारण से होती है? Due to the deficiency of boron. Option number B. The element required for water splitting reaction in photosynthesis. So this one is also very important question. So it is manganese. Option number C is the right answer. Manganese is required for photolysis of water in photosynthesis or photosystem 2. Which element is needed for synthesis of cysteine and methionine? Very important question. So because these contain sulfur as their important component, so it is sulfur. Option number A. Sulfur is a component of sulfur containing amino acid like cysteine and methionine. An element causing toxicity by interfering with calcium translocation. So it is manganese. Manganese toxicity competes with calcium and iron, affecting their uptake and translocation. So option number B is the right answer. Which element is essential for urease activity in plants? So it is nickel. Option number B. Next, which mineral element is not required by all plants? So it is sodium. Sodium is essential only for C4 and CAM plants, and it is not required by all plants. The movement of mineral ions from soil to root is called mass flow. Option number A is the right answer. Which of the following is used in hydroponics? What is hydroponics? It involves the growing of plants in nutrient-rich water solution. So it is nutrient solution that is required in hydroponics. Deficiency of which element leads to rosette disease? So it is zinc. Which element is essential for synthesis of ATP? So it is simple phosphorus. Option number C is the right answer.